Hey everyone, Extreme here. CopyProTraders, the safest investment or platform in my opinion. Your money is safe since it's on exchange and you're mere just mirroring professional traders' trades as they do it for themselves. But what happened this weekend? The markets bled. It was red all over. Caused by one man again, Elon Musk. One tweet saw the entire cryptocurrency market going red and started dropping. As the market dropped, so did my value. I started devaluing a lot. On one stage, I was down about 20% on my portfolio. But as the market dropped, my trader bought the dips and increased my asset. And now, while the market is recovering, I'm starting to increase my value a lot faster. So from being down in the red, I'm seeing a lot of value coming up quicker and faster. The prices haven't even reached the amounts they were at when the dumping started, and I'm very close to breaking even. Thanks a lot to the professional trader I'm following. Just to give you an indication, here is my last 25 trades, and I haven't had one red trade from this trader. That's not brilliant, it's fantastic, it's great, I'm not gonna complain about it. My portfolio is on track and going towards the direction I want. CopyProTraders, a long-term investment for me, going smooth, going well, and I'm happy. If you haven't yet, look at it, it might be an opportunity. And please hit that like button. Have a great one.